I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing Swan with a spring here on the Cadillac. So we're also going to do a prep and the big one. So if you aren't ready for the big one yet, you'll do the prep until you are ready. And also make sure you check out our another advancement of this exercise where you don't use a spring at all. So super fun options. Yes, you can do this on the tower. What you do is you take the bar carefully, push it down, make sure you don't let go of this bar because that would not be so good for your face. And then you want to put yourself in a position where the bar is in line with the vertical poles, not past it. That's a safety thing because you want to swing around to the other side, okay? So you'll baby version first. So my feet hang off, but that's because I'm tall. Yours might not do that. So baby version first. You reach your arms from your back. And so sometimes I like to let the bar push into me a little bit so my arms find their way onto my back. Spin your inner thighs up, reach your tailbone long, and then your heart pulls forward. And then you lengthen yourself down. And the important thing is that you don't just peel off. We don't want the bar to push you back to your feet. You want the bar to help you lift. So you're pulling your heart forward and lifting yourself long. And then if that's going well and your feet aren't lifting or moving around when you do it, then that's a sign that you can do some shaves. Reach the arms back and forth, and then you complete the shave and you reach up and then you pull down. Super important that the bar isn't pulling you up, but you are reaching the bar away and then coming down. So the arms are connected to your back. So because the arms are reaching up, your back is reaching up. And then when you've done 3 to 5, you sit back, control the bar, make sure it's all the way closed before you let go. Remember, those springs, super dangerous if you're not paying attention to what you're doing. When I'm on the Cadillac, I always make sure my thumb is wrapped around the bar, right? Thumb wrapped around the bar. So you have your fingers long. You don't have to be gripping, but you don't want both hands on the top right here because then you could just slip the bar right out from underneath you. After you've done it here, then give yourself, progress your swan onto your one-to chair. Do the big swan on your one-to chair. And then from there, you can progress yourself to doing your big swan on the reformer. It really helps with that, right? You can practice reaching your legs away. If you struggle with the legs reaching away, then try doing swan on your ladder barrel where you have something to push into, which will also progress you to swan on the reformer. If you have questions about which swan to do first, definitely ask in the comments below, and also check out over on onlinepilatesclasses.com. We have a workshop where we progress our swan all the way to swan on the reformer, and I want you to check that out. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.